Welcome back to another video brought to you by Huntress Imaging. My name is Diana Pearl McNutt, founder/technician. Now in today's video, we're going to be unboxing my studio kit. So I have a full studio that is portable. That way I can come to you wherever you are and deliver a digital product on site. This way you don't have to have any worries about insurance or moving the object out of store or even out of the exhibit. The portable studio kit that I chose is Orange Monkey's Foldio3 360. Straight out, no sponsorship, no endorsement. This is just me unboxing the kit. And I'll sort of go into the reasons why I chose this kit. All right, let's get started. The boxes have sat in the quarantine corner of my lounge for 24 hours. They were just facing the wall like a naughty school child wearing a dunce cap. But now they're all safe to open and I've unwrapped them all and also undid the tape, so this will go a little bit more smoothly. Okay, let's just start with this one. I'm not going to actually unwrap this one because it's pretty self-explanatory by the picture. It's just a basic photo cube with an enclosed flap. This is going to be for macro focus stacking, so you really need to control the light input. I will be demonstrating macro focus in the next video, so you will see this playing a starring role. Macro focus stacking essentially creates very, very detailed images. Okay, so I'll just put this to one side and get started on the main event. This is the Orange Monkey Foldio3 portable studio kit. Once again, totally not sponsored. I have been longing for one of these for quite a while, ever since I saw it demonstrated by another 3D modeler in Heritage. It was really amazing and I am so excited. Come to mama. Yeah. Okay. These are just backdrops. I got an extra set just in case. So I'm just going to put those to the side. Small to big, I think, is a good way of doing it. So what is this? This is the Handlebar Set. Now this is what's really cool about this, is these halo bars. They're these LED lights. They're very lightweight and compact. Ooh, cool. Look like a Toblerone. They snap onto the sides of the light box. I'll show that to you. But also what's really cool is they can be like placed around the object so that you can get some nice underlight, which is very important when you're dealing with very curvy objects like pots and corn stumps and stuff where there is an underside that you need to take care of. Let's see what this is. Handlebar kit. Oh yes, I ordered an extra set of halo bars. So this is the ones that'll go on the side. Oh, this is... Oh, I was like, why are there so many plugs? But they're actually an international set of plugs. Oh, that's so cool, so they can do different regions. I didn't know it came with this. This is cool. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's really clever. Like, look at that. I get excited about plugs. Oh, this is awesome. Next. This is the smart turntable. I'm just gonna hug it for a second because it's such a beautiful, beautiful thing. It's a smart turntable, which is basically it's remote operated by your phone and it connects to your camera, which is really, really cool. Especially since I've been using a Lazy Susan in my academic research. So I have to do everything manually by hand, which can take quite a longer time, and it's a little bit, it's more laborious, I guess. Still get great results, but okay, let's open this. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, it's so cute. It's like a little Roomba. That's so cute. Oh, and it has a Cylon light. Pretty sure it doesn't turn red, but it's meant to like add some backlighting. Oh my god, that's so cool. I'm gonna have to name him. I think it's a him. So all my kit is named after names from Beatles songs. So my computer over there is Jojo. My camera is Prudence and Maxwell, maybe? Although he was a serial killer, so that might actually not be good. Don't want to encourage him to go all robo-apocalypse on us and kill a robot. Killer turntable, I mean, sounds like a good plot to a movie. Okay, I'm gonna, can't wait to plug this baby in. Now this sort of confused me when this came in. One of these is the Turntable Extender, and the other one is the actual studio box. I read the dimensions on the extender, and like in my head, I could sort of get how big that is. But it's kind of like a horse. Like in your head, you know a horse is really, really big. But then when you actually see a horse in real life, it's like, wow, that thing is way bigger than I had in my head. But let's open it and see what's in it. Okay, this is the foldable studio. I'll do the turntable first, I think, because I'm kind of interested to see exactly how. It's huge. Okay. Okay. So there's like a little mirror and things. Holy Hannah, this thing is big. Oh, how do I get this out? Oh boy. This is like extra, extra large pizza big. Now I want pizza. But this is really nice. It has this like vinyl on it that reminds me of like a 1950s classic car vinyl, like seat covers. Oh, it feels really nice. It's one of the reasons I was really attracted to this set is because of how easy it is to clean. This you can just wipe down. If you have just normal surfaces like glass or even wood, or cloth, over time it just becomes very, very grimy, because archaeological artifacts are not necessarily the cleanest, and some museum objects as well. Yeah, when I was doing the cornstones, there was just like stone dust that just got like everywhere. I'm gonna have to find something relatively big in my flat to test this out on. Oh, this is so cool. Now, the foldable studio. This is a really cool one because of its design. Well, I'll just take it out so you can see. Studio box. I'm digging this. It's like a little briefcase with a handle. Very practical. And this too is very, very good for cleaning issues. It's plastic, so you can just wipe it down with a wet cloth and easy peasy. Because the cloth light boxes, the big pop-up ones, being cloth, they can get pretty grimy. Archaeological sites are pretty muddy, and other things and dust just gets everywhere, as I said. So this is really, really great. Oh, so nice. Okay, so I'm gonna sort of unfold it. So it's like origami. It's really cool with these magnets. All right, future Diana, let's roll this and speed it up a bit, or just cut to the next one. As if by magic, it's all set up. Now the question is, what should I use for its first trial run? I do have some replicas scattered around my flat that I've collected over the years, but I think I should introduce you to a very special friend of mine who I think should be my magician's assistant and give the turntable its first trial run. This is Archie, the Athenian owl. I first saw him in a window in the Plaka in Athens, and I just had to have him. We've been on many adventures since. Here's him in the Natural History Museum in Oxford. Since he's such a good friend, I thought he should be the one to have the first spin. So as I explained before, the handlebars fit here and here on the magnetic strips. There's also the light here. The back of the turntable also has a light, so it gives some light in the back, so a little bit this way. And I have extra of what I am officially now calling the Toblerone lights. Yes, I think I'm really craving chocolate. So these ones can go here, here, they can free float and give a little extra lighting to the underside. This is really important when doing photogrammetry to get the underside because you need an even light. Now what's really awesome too is these lights are adjustable. You can dim them. Whee! Okay. Enough, Diana. So I'm going to pull up the Foldio3 app. Now you select the device. Oh, I swear it's there. Yay! Foldio3, so it connects via Bluetooth. Now, how you make this turntable into an automated SFM photogrammetry machine, you can connect your DSLR to the app. So you can choose your different, which you want, and you can set up your camera to take a photo every time it turns. So it'll turn 15 degrees. That's the amount for 3D modeling is 15 degrees. Tells the camera, take a picture. It takes a picture, which then turns another 15 degrees and so on. I'm just gonna show off the turntable now, so I'm not gonna connect it to my camera. Let's just do a 360-degree spin. That way you can see Archie doing a little spin. All right, now I'm gonna press move. And there we go. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll see you on the flip side. Now it's time for tea. Where's my tea?